So guys, so I'm doing a video today where I'm showing what's like in this book because some of you asked for it. Well, one of you asked for it, so I'm doing it for you. And yeah, and also something that was kind of cool. I think it was signed. So yeah, and also you can like pause it and take a screenshot if you wanna like see how to make it. So first, the phoenix, see on the plane. So right here you can already see some of them.
Hey Joshy, let's switch to something else, honey. Switch to something else then. Huh? What?
And some of these, and like that's the skill level stuff. And Phoenix. So I'm just gonna leave it right here so you can see what to do. Take a screenshot maybe. Or you can just put in slow motion and then take a screenshot. I'm going too fast for you guys. Trying to go as slow as possible. This is the world record one. I've made it before. It goes pretty far. These are some of the materials you need to make it. $1,000 reward. You get $1,000. Use this design and officially break the world record. You win $1,000. Throwing tips. Hold where the most layers meet. Take a spark. Keep the wing smooth. Keep the wing smooth acceleration. The plane. Good name because it is a plane. Kind of like a normal one, but it's a little bit different. Fold down into the center cross. Stealth. Ooh, that's kind of cool. I've tried this before, but I'm probably not that good at folding planes. But I am pretty good at origami. If you watch my old videos, some of them are kind of bad, but yes. Fat glider. If you don't know why that doesn't make, if you think that doesn't make sense, because like fat, and like all these things mean like cool. But if you say like you're fat, bro, and they were like that's offensive. Oh, there's a loop-de-loop, cool. This one's kind of cool. I mean, like how to use it. So wait, after you make it, you put a book under it, like, and kind of angle it a little bit, and they'll like just fly in forever as long as you can keep it there. For this, I use if I can't find it, I use like I don't know what it's called. Little card things. I don't know what they're called. They're like they're kind of like lined paper like that, but meet the pilot's view. Maple, like maple tree. For me, I don't really find this like this doesn't really work for me. For some reason, my hand is kind of getting hurt, a little hurt. This one is one of my favorite planes because it's like a football. If you can chuck a football really far, then you can like throw this plane really far. The tube. Oh yeah, I got my paper got ripped because someone ripped it a little. So yeah. Urgh. This one's kind of cool. Now they're kind of getting a little bit harder. If you want to do these, then you can like take a screenshot of some of them. And if it's still kind of hard to do it, ooh, this one's really cool. It like flaps its wing. It's kind of it's pretty difficult. Whenever I make them, it doesn't work. I don't know if it's just me. I don't know if it's just a paper or if I'm really bad at folding this. If you want to me to do a thing of like how to fold like a plane, a certain plane, comment which plane you want me to like teach you guys how to fold, and I'll do it. I'll start doing more origami videos. So yeah, I'll do a plane thing. Max Lock. If your name is Max, then comment if your name is Max, because that would be weird. But it's not weird. I'm not saying if a Max is watching this, that's not weird. It's just kind of, I still don't know the word. I'm forgetting everything today. Like I was just born yesterday. Boy, my hands are getting tired. Make the swing. Start. Oh, this one's pretty sick. Close-up view. Doesn't that look kind of realistic to you guys? Doesn't it look like the plane's right there that I can just like, grab it? But I can't grab it. See, it's nothing, but it looks so realistic. Also, I think some of my my like today I went back to look at my videos and I'm like, why did I even start this? I started this channel in 2018, like in April. And like since then altogether, I have like over like a thousand views, which I did not think I would get that successful. At first, like when I in a year, I saw that I barely did, I thought like just I made it for no reason, but then actually I didn't. So thank you all.
Yoshi, let's switch to something else.
I couldn't have well, I didn't win anything, but I still couldn't have done this without you.
Here, sweetie. Come sit by Mommy.
And the reason why is because, and also it's also because of like YouTube,
No.
and also it's
We gotta
because so if you guys never found out about this channel, then I wouldn't have anything. So
So we have,
because like I'm not famous anywhere.
so if you're, I mean, if you're done with everything, right?
Because if you're like famous, then you're gonna have like a better, yeah, you already gonna have a better chance to be on YouTube.
Well,
Bonus plane.
that's a lot of work to finish too. I think it might be better if we wait until later. So we can get everything done. I don't know, sweetie. I'm not sure that we'll be done with everything by then.
Oh, there's gonna be a lot more pages.
Yeah.
That's a lot of folds. This one's kind of confusing right here a little. That literally just looks like a normal plane. Oh, this one looks a lot cooler. It's not real, guys. It's just looks like it. Maybe it was left on. Well, that's because it's dead. I'm gonna start going a little bit faster now because I don't have a lot of time.
It is charged. Okay, let's get something we're gonna do. Can we do that?
At the end, I'll get a zoom up of every single plane.
I just held it down.
So and if anyone guys comment and want me to do a video, I'll do it. What is coming? But anyways, yes. What the heck?
No, we're not playing on it right now. We can definitely play on it later.
No. Okay, whatever.
Well, I need to see you doing your work, buddy. I can't let you play on that until we've actually been doing our work. Yeah.
FF1. FFF1.
We have math and writing.
That's it.
Let me check our little schedule here.
Oh yeah, I gotta do that thing to make it look like it's real.
Alright. So we've got we've got syllable practice. I feel like writing and math would be good. Okay. What do you want to do, writing or math?
Writing, so I
The
can get
pelican.
done quicker. But I don't like doing writing.
Well, for this one, I tried to print it out, but it didn't work very well. But maybe what I'll do is fill it in. Let me fill it in so we can use it. So for this one, we're copying these words.
I can barely see that.
I know, that's why I'm going to make them darker for you.
I thought I said like 12 like times, and I'm like, wait, what?
All right, so you write each of these words up here, and then down here you write spring is. Do you want to use that pencil or a different pencil? Okay. Good.
Ring thing. It looks so real because these folds right here make it look like it's sticking out, and I'm like, wait, is that real? Ring thing.
Good, ready? Very nice.
Whoa, that's cool. Also, you might be wondering why the filming isn't that good. It's because I'm not like a filmer, and I'm using a phone, which doesn't make it that good. Ooh, this one I've made before. It's pretty cool. One piece of paper, 4 wings. It's like, wait, what? You might be saying if you're watching this, I'm going way too fast, but you can pause it too. And if you still can't see it enough, you can take a screenshot and zoom in on it. That's normally what I do. It gets easier from here. So if you're like, oh my god, this is so difficult, this is the last page. And it's easier. Finally, we have the seagull. This one's an easy, it's literally the easiest one. So you need a triangle piece, fold it in half, fold that to the bottom, fold that up. So it's literally really easy, yeah. Then we have, oh, there's a little bit more. And then the flight stuff. And here's like how to throw the planes and stuff, throwing.
works much better. Hee hee. Much, much better.
Yeah, that's one of the things that helps it fly.
Is
You add a little like flap up there, and that makes it helps it fly go up, and then like go.
spring is autumn?
Awesome.
Oh, awesome.
And I'm like, wait, spring is autumn? Wait, what?
Nice, buddy. Oh, wait. I see a missing letter.
Obviously, no one can read this, but you're not supposed to read. But you're like, I'm not like, because I don't want this video to be. It's already 20 minutes, 21 minutes, 25, 6, 27, 28,
So for this one,
9. Yeah, I already know the thing. Oh, it's like a bike. The bike with wheels. Wait, what? That's weird. All bikes have wheels. Unless there's a hover bike, which
yay.
I don't know if it's invented yet.
All right,
Could be.
go. So it looks like
Cunard.
I ordered some more ink for our printer.
Is it coming?
No. So down here, over spring break, and I think you draw a picture here.
Lots of
Would you
practice.
like a regular pencil?
Sync rate. Oh, that's it. But I'm gonna go to the planes. If we're still washing this, wow.
You can draw a picture too. Do you want me to sharpen this for you? You want me to sharpen it?
That's it for this video.